Next up is Meghan O'Donnell.
Okay. The ethical views of cloning. In this presentation, I'll discuss government beliefs, moral views, and ethical questions of human cloning. But first, what is cloning? The term cloning refers to any natural or artificial process that produces two or more organisms that are genetically identical. Over 5,000 animals have been cloned thus far, and the most famous one is Dolly the sheep. After 277 tries, Dolly the sheep was successfully created in 1996, and it led to a worldwide phenomenon of cloning. And this is when the thoughts of human cloning first came into play. Government. The United States is not allowing research on human cloning. President Obama is against all forms of human cloning. He says he will not let the government open the doors to human cloning. His former presidents agree. Currently, a law has been proposed in the United States banning cloning, but it is at a standstill because of therapeutic cloning. This is a similar situation around the world. A law has been proposed to ban cloning worldwide. It is at a standstill. Moral views. Belief in God, belief in science have always caused conflicting views. The main question being asked is, are we playing God who planned the perfect human? Multiple questions arise, like, if we create a clone with our own image, would it have higher expectations? An example of this is if we wanted to clone Shaun White and we wanted a gold medal. Would his expectations be higher for the new Olympics? And what if he failed? And obviously, human cloning is tampering with creation. Ethical issues. This is the formal definition of ethical issues, and human cloning fits criteria. The main argument regarding cloning is therapeutic cloning. Therapeutic cloning is the process by which a person's DNA is used to grow an embryonic clone. Therapeutic cloning uses human swan cells, or HSC. These cells come from aborted fetuses, in other words, the cells from abortion, which is an ethical issue we are dealing with in today's society. If a clone was ever to be successful, how will it fit into society? Will it have a unique identity because it was cloned, but will be treated differently? And since the technology is so new, what if a clone develops defective problems? An example that would raise many ethical questions is if a human was extremely sick, so they cloned him for lab experiments. This clone would live in the labs for his whole life. Would this clone be a human or just another lab rat? Countless ethical questions are argued about human cloning based on government and religious views. After my research, I am against human cloning. Thank you.